Why does your scanner show the P2313 engine code? What does it mean? P2313 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition. Coil E, primary control circuit high. The P2313 engine code indicates an electrical fault in the ignition coil E primary control circuit. It means the powertrain control module detected a voltage reading that is too high while trying to control the ignition coil. This coil is responsible for firing the spark plug. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil, damaged wiring, poor electrical connections, bad PCM or ECM, blown fuses or relays. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chrysler, Chevrolet, Mercedes, and Lexus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.